We live in a connected world where our customers wish to enhance their driving experience. Pioneer's automotive technology solutions make that wish a reality. Connectivity. The receivers also support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wire and wireless. Even if you keep your smartphone in your bag or pocket, show me a map.
Here's the map.
The receiver can automatically access the latest information, like maps or play music. Play chill-out music.
Alright, check out this chill-out music station on YouTube Music.
A high-fidelity listening experience. With over 80 years experience in the design of audio products, Pioneer flagship receivers are high-res audio certified and feature audio-grade discrete components for superior sound. By delivering advanced connectivity, smartphone integration, and high-fidelity sound featuring high-res audio playback, Pioneer is transforming the driving experience to be more comfortable. Connect, integrate, enhance the experience, move the heart, and touch the soul.